Welcome, folks. Oh my! We have 6 deer! No way! We have 1, 2, 3, and there's 2 right there. 4, 5, 6 deer! Oh my goodness! Ow! My! Good Lord! We have regular door! You are kidding me! Okay! Six deer is insane! 3 there. We go to 2 there. And there's the other one. Oh dear! We got a 6-banger! Are you freaking kidding me? A 6-banger? You're pulling my strings. You're pulling my bootstraps right off, dude. Are you kidding me? And there's a skunk smell. Oh my goodness! Oh, there! I gotta move around. They're quirky motherfreakers. Yeah! Stiff from the behind. Oh no! Those 3 are trailing. That one's gonna follow through. And those 2. Good Lord, there's a butterfly up there. That's nature. Wow! Whoa! Absolutely whoa! I don't want to scare them away, but that's incredible. Incredible. You see all this? I know you folks see all these deer. Yo! Looks like they're gonna head off here soon. The tale of 6. They're staring back. Sniff. Yeah, you sniff that ground. You sniff that ground, Smith. You sniff it. You sniff it until you can't sniff it anymore. That'll do it for this episode, folks. A 6-banger. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Alright. See y'all later. Man!